How to buy pay-per-view on YouTube TV. In today's video, I will show you how to buy pay-per-view content on YouTube TV. So first, open your YouTube TV account. If you don't have one, make sure to sign up and log in. Before you can buy PPV content, make sure you are on at least the base plan. To check this, click on your profile icon, go to settings, and then click on membership. If you're not on the base plan, you will need to upgrade to access PPB events. Once you're on the base plan, you can search for the PPB event you want to watch. You can do this by browsing the available content or searching directly for the event you're interested in. When you find the PPB event, simply click on it, and you will see the option to purchase it. Follow the on screen prompts to complete your payment, and once the payment is confirmed, you will have access to the event. Now that you have bought the event, you can enjoy it live or watch the replay, depending on the event. And that's it. You have successfully bought pay per view content on YouTube TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.